Welcome to Best Electronics. Are you looking for a Best Electric Rice Cooker 2018? Watch the video and get some idea about Best Mini Rice Cooker of DMWD brands. If you're looking for a high-quality best rice cooker, then DMWD brand's rice cooker is a great choice for you. This cooker offers several useful capabilities, including settings for brown rice, nutritious eggs, delicious snacks, sweet dumplings, as well as such breakfast foods as grits or oatmeal. When the food is finished cooking, this rice cooker automatically switches to a warming mode. The inside cooking pot is steel inner, which makes cleaning easy. I recommend this rice cooker to everyone because the rice cooker has been tested and is being used by many people all around the world. Item specifics. Capacity, 3L. Material, steel inner pot. Housing material, plastic. Weight, 2 kilograms. Accessories, lunch box. Energy label, grade 1. Heating method, 3-dimensional heating. Many people have already bought this rice cooker and their review shows that the rice cooker is really excellent. Overall, it can be a good choice if you are really in need of a decent and best rice cooker and don't want to invest much money. So, we think this rice cooker is the best for you. You won't find such a good rice cooker at such a low price. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.